Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Gadget Quest. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to mute someone's story on Facebook. With that, you need to hop into Facebook application. Make sure to sign in on your Facebook account. Then you need to choose someone's story you'd like to mute on Facebook. So after you have opened someone's story on Facebook, what you need to do is you need to tap on the top of the screen's three-dotted line. So from this drop down box you can see the mute story option. Simply tap on mute story in order to stop seeing the updates to your story on Facebook. You can choose the duration for what time you would like to mute someone's story on Facebook. Right now let's tap on until I unmute it, and now tap on mute option. So you have already muted someone's story on Facebook. This is how you mute stories on Facebook. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.